Hey players, so not only is Frumpy Dump being dragged in a New York courtroom, but he's also being dragged by some of the Frumpy Dump tank sniffers and the MAGA mice for his new stance on abortion. Y'all, grab your tea, have a seat, let's get into this. So earlier today, Frumpy Dump's Cracker Jack Box legal team argument to delay Frumpy Dump's hush money trial as well as move that trial to another venue was rejected by the New York appeals court judge. So Frumpy Dump's Cracker Jack Box attorney argued that his presumptive Republican nominee status would present a real potential prejudice in the heavily Democratic Manhattan. So they were seeking to move the case to Staten Island, where Frumpy Dump won in the 2016 election. Hey man, the judge rejected that shit like a hot potato. Get it on out of here. Also, in a separate appellate matter, Frumpy Dump's Cracker Jack Box legal team challenged the gag order imposed on Frumpy Dump by Judge Marchand. As we all know, Judge Marchand issued a gag order on Frumpy Dump and had to later revise that gag order to include his daughter and his family because Frumpy Dump was basically doxing them people over on Devil Is a Lie Social. It's ridiculous and a hot bullshitty mess. Now, the judge did not decide on that, but did signal that that will be taken up at a later date. Now, as for Frumpy Dump being drugged by the Frumpy Dump tank sniffers and the MAGA mice, Frumpy Dump did another video earlier today, and conservatives like Lindsay Loose Booty Graham as well as Pissy Pence, they are pissed to the highest level of pissivity with Frumpy to the motherfucking dump because of his, I guess, change on abortion. In the video, once again, Frumpy Dump decreed and declared that he is responsible for the overturning of Roe v. Wade, which is what the Republicans wanted. Now, as for the Democrats, they are evil and want to have abortions past the 9-month mark. Basically, he stated that Democrats want to take out babies after they are born. Listen, I don't understand. And then he went on to say that now it will be up to the states on how many weeks the abortion could be done, because we have a state like Florida that has put that on the ballot. So Frumpy Dump has basically switched up his stance on this, and Lindsay Loose Booty Graham and Pissy Pence are pissed to the highest level of pissivity with Frumpy Dump that he would ever say that it was left up to the states. Basically, they're saying that he has now abandoned pro-lifers.
So I was proudly the person responsible for the ending of something that all legal scholars, both sides, wanted and, in fact, demanded be ended. Roe v. Wade. They wanted it ended. It must be remembered that the Democrats are the radical ones on this position because they support abortion up to and even beyond the 9th month. The concept of having an abortion in the later months and even execution after birth, and that's exactly what it is, the states will determine by vote or legislation or perhaps both, and whatever they decide must be the law of the land, in this case, the law of the state.
Child, this is ridiculous and a hot boo shitty mess. Frumpy Dump is basically going wherever the scent of his pamper is taking him, because this has definitely never been his stance on abortion. Now that Florida is putting that on the ballot, and he's worried about people voting down ballot to align with the abortion rights that are on that ballot, he's now trying to switch things up. Frumpy Dump, again, he flies by the scent of his pamper. We saw him this weekend. They said that he allegedly told donors that were donating that he's going to keep their taxes very low. These were millionaires, according to reports, that were there when Frumpy Dump said these things. I mean, it sounds like what they call it, I guess you call it oh, God, come on, Tiffany. Child, is ridiculous and a hot boo shitty mess, but I expect this from Frumpy Dump. All right, players, put your thoughts in the comments. As of right now, Frumpy Dump's trial in New York will begin on April 15th with jury selection. Let me know what you're thinking. This is Double D Mo for the Black Accurate News.